and welcome to Survival Tips.
Survival tips!
Survival Tips! Now, if you're like me, you probably screwed the pooch. You were subletting a room in Brooklyn and you didn't really pay attention to when the end of the sublet was, and you also didn't rent another room. So you're homeless during what may be the worst storm in the history of New York City. Now, just because you're homeless doesn't mean you should despair. There's lots of ways to survive on the streets during a snow blizzard, a massive superstorm like this one. If you're really good looking, you can go on Tinder and you can find a potential mate and sleep at their apartment. You can also build a snow castle. You could sleep under a bridge, or you can do my favorite. Walk around the streets and look for an unlocked car and sleep in there. Now, when you're picking out a car, you want to pick one that's not too fancy and not too crappy. Something with a little room and, so you're not all cramped. So, let's see. Let's try this one right here. Ha! Unlocked. My lucky day. Now, once you get situated in your new home, you want to look around and see if the owner of the vehicle maybe left some food, some peanuts, or maybe a blanket, something like that, because in a survival situation, I think most people would feel okay with you helping yourself to, what they have in their car. In this case, we're pretty lucky because it looks like this person left a sleeping bag. That'll come in very handy for a survival type situation. They also looks like they left some gloves, a wool sweater, a blender, and looks like I see a 6-pack of beer down there. Sleeping in someone else's car might not exactly be legal, but during a superstorm like this one, I think it's okay. So I'd like to thank the Samaritan who left a sleeping bag, 6-pack of beer, and this nice warm car unlocked so that it makes this night a little bit easier. Cheers.